Hello there to all my delicious viewers. So, this is my monthly Patreon thank you video. This is the thank you for the month of May. I just want to start off by saying thank you so much to all my Patreons and to anyone who donates to the channel or supports the channel through comments, messages, likes, or just even watching. Thank you very much. I'm really happy that you enjoy the content that I make, that you are hopefully relaxing, chilling out, getting tingles with the way I do ASMR. So I haven't been filming a lot of videos lately. Probably haven't filmed any since a month ago, since I started my new job. At the moment I'm a bit sick, as you can kind of hear in my voice. But because I haven't been filming videos, I decided, okay, today I have to do some. So I've managed to film a few videos today. So hopefully I'll get the chance to edit those soon. And to post them in the next couple weeks. Really hoping I can make more videos when I get better. We'll see how long this cold is gonna last now. Energy wise and stuff like that, I'm starting to feel better, but like my voice and my coughing and stuff like that is annoying me. It's hard to film videos when like every couple minutes you want to cough, and like I make content where I'm always like making noises with my mouth, so it doesn't help. It makes me cough even more. So anyways, just a quick little update so you guys know that I'm okay and stuff. I know a lot of you guys are really kind, asking me where am I, if I'm okay. So yeah, I'm okay. I'm just been sick the past week, and then just really busy with my new job. Because it's like a startup, like a brand new daycare, so everything is really new, and it's just taking a little bit longer than I thought to sort of like, for all the pieces to kind of fit. So a little bit more stressful, a little bit more tired than I thought I would be. So I just haven't been in that mood to make videos. And also time. I just haven't had like a lot of extra time to set up the stuff and then make the video and edit the video, and it's like a lot of hours. And before I was working, but I had like 1 or 2 extra days off a week. That's why I could put so much content out. But I'm hoping that this is not going to be the norm, and I'm still going to be able to put out at least a video or 2 every week once I start to get better. Okay, so sorry for the bit of ramble. Also, I haven't gotten back to people comments or even emails. Some people have emailed me about like collabs and stuff, and I want to do all those collabs. I just haven't had time to, or haven't really been in a mental space to respond to comments or emails, or to be focused on the channel. I've really had to put like over 100% into this job because of just things that are going on. So I've kind of just really put the channel to the side recently, but I'm going to get back into channel mode, okay? So don't worry. So over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to try to respond to some of the comments, the more recent comments, and to some emails people have sent me about things they want me to do, and also collaborations, things like that. Okay, so we're gonna start off the names. I'm gonna go from top to bottom up this time. So Victoria, hello Victoria. Victoria. How are is Cody.